Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram story music not working. So first let's get in the app, and then I just want you to go to your profile picture, sorry, to your profile picture, and then I want you to go on and tap on, on the three vertical lines, and I want you to tap on the search bar here and then type account type and tools. Account type and tools. So this is the option that we try to look for. Just want you to tap on it and then tap on switch to professional accounts. Alright, so next here you can choose your category, right? Okay, just to set an example. Anyways, you just need to complete the process, um, and here you will need to tap on creator, the second option, and then tap on next. So by doing that, by completing that process, you will fix that problem, the problem of the stories doesn't sound the music, or the music not working on the stories of Instagram. So guys, that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.